We have a very important mission. We have like a whole bunch of Amazon small box items that we cannot ship and we cannot move. So our goal today, me and that guy over there, our goal today is to find a flea market booth because we've got small box items out the wazoo and we gotta find a place to get rid of them. It's money sitting on the shelf. We gotta do something. So come along with us.
What's up?
I'm just recording the fact that you went all the way to Walmart to get ink and we still don't have ink.
Yeah, freaking idiot. I left it on the dang cash register. Freaking stupid. I mean, we got the thermal printer, so I mean, we can at least print labels. And freaking Walmart lady told me she was looking for 9 minutes to somebody. See?
Calling Walmart.
Operator. I don't even know what's going on. How's your Friday morning going?
It was great until you forgot the ink.
Hi Amanda, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing great. Hey, I'm an idiot and I left one of my bags at the self-checkout. It's got some ink in it.
Hold on just a second, okay?
Alright.
I'm going to transfer you to us first.
Alright. I don't know where I went.
How can I help you?
Hi, how are you doing today?
I'm alright, you?
I'm doing good. Hey, I'm an idiot and I came through there about 30 minutes ago. And I forgot one of my bags at the self-checkout counter. At one of the registers. Alright. I don't know if it's...
You know what side you on?
On the grocery side. I think it's like terminal number 45 or something.
Okay, hold on a second.
I guess the good thing is we are shipping out 25 orders today for $993. So, you know, it's a good thing.
Can't complain.
It's been 10 minutes. She went to go check. I think I lost her. I'm gonna have to call back. So I finally. Hello?
Hello?
Are you there?
Yes.
I went to hold.
I got interrupted with another phone call. I don't know how that happened.
I don't know.
But
maybe that's what happened to me.
Whenever you need... Yeah. Well, I'm here till 6 if you want to come in and just pick it up. Just bring your receipt with you and ask for Kathy.
Kathy? And where do I
Yes.
go to find you at?
You can come to the service desk and ask for Kathy.
Okay.
And we'll make sure you get your inker cartridge.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Kathy.
You're welcome. You have a good day.
All right. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Freaking customer service at Walmart. Almost 40 minutes I was on hold before I was actually able. I talked to some lady earlier, but like she gone. Like it was gone. So anyways, they've got my ink, or they say, but I'm going to get my ink regardless. So freaking Walmart. I'm an idiot. I'm never doing that again. I say that. I hope not, but I probably will.
It's time. We're heading down. It is cold, it is rainy, but heading down to the Painted Goat. It's a local place. I like it. They sell like a lot of local honeys and baked goods as well, so hopefully they'll have space for us. There's like a wide variety of stuff there. It's a phone booth, Joe.
What?
There's a phone booth. I don't think my kids have ever even seen a phone booth before. That's exciting. So the first one was the Painted Goat. I love that place. I think it's amazing. I just love the aesthetic. It's very modern. I felt like our stuff would really fit there, but they are out of booths. We went ahead and put ourselves on the waiting list, so I'm hoping maybe we'll get a call.
Yeah, but we're like 39th now.
Yeah, so there's just, I don't know, it's looking bleak. But hey, we've still got a few more to go, so let's get moving. That's just so pretty.
All done.
All done. So no more waiting list?
You want to be on one?
Yeah. Yeah. You don't mind.
Your name and your piano. Just your name and phone number. We might have one leaving this the 1st of December. If we do, we can give you a call.
We appreciate it, thank you.
And I think it's a 8x8.
Okay, cool. What does that run? Like 110?
135.
135 for 8x8. All right.
Okay.
Awesome. What are you doing?
I'm enjoying the scenery.
Yeah, we've got stuff to look at, and you're just sitting around.
Hey, this is a nice chair.
It is.
You should buy me this chair.
One
This
day.
would be my chair. I would sit here and I would knit.
You would not want me to spend $92 on that chair.
You're right. But I like the chair.
Yeah.
All right, so that one was kind of bust. They're under new management, so they had some new booths available. But we are a couple of days too late, and so they're all full. We're on a waiting list. This one's a lot shorter than the Painted Goat, but so we may have good luck here. I hear that this is a really good flea market. It's really popping, and hopefully they'll have somebody moving out and have something available for us around December 1st.
Yeah. And the lady I talked to, she said she has 2 booths here, and then she has a booth at the Painted Goat, and then another place, and this one is her favorite, she says. So she does really well here. So fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. There she blows. There's Walmart. Because somebody, not naming any names, came here this morning, bought ink, and left it at the register. Get it?
Yep, mission accomplished. Don't be an idiot and leave your bags at the store. Idiot.
Hey, I love you.
Oh, yeah.
There she blows, Joe. There she blows.
We're looking to rent a booth.
You want a purple tree?
No,
But it's purple.
it's not the right purple though. You have a good day, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Well, that one was a bust.
Really is a bust, but they're long waiting list.
Yeah. So hopefully that second one will be the best.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can get in, but it's looking like this is not the right time of year to be looking for a flea market booth.
Yeah. We've got one more place to go to. It's a new one, so we're hoping that they will have some vacancies.
I'm sure they will. Last time we went in there, they weren't even open yet, so I'm thinking it's a big place. Surely they'll have booths open that we can do.
Yeah.
You ready? Let's go.
Let's go.
There it is. Option 4. Cornerstone Flea Market. Got a parking debacle. I'm hungry. You hungry?
Heck yeah.
Let's eat.
Alright, so 4 places. Number 1, we had the painted goat. Really liked it. It had just like the layout of it. It wasn't just like a block. It was segmented into different rooms I really liked. But the downfall.
Probably my favorite.
Yeah, my favorite by far. The owner, he's there all the time. He's super, super nice. Very outgoing. I feel like that would help just the feel of the store.
I feel like our products would fit best there as well.
Yeah. But the bad thing is we're 39th on the waiting list. So like, long time. So then
The chances of even getting in there anytime soon is so unlikely.
Yep. And then number 2, we had, what was that, Touch of Heaven? And we liked it. It was okay, you know. It had a good feel to it. It had lots of variety. And we were first one on the waiting list, so that was good.
And there's a chance that a booth will be opening up in the next month,
Yeah.
which would be ideal.
And the lady we talked to, she said there might be somebody leaving because it's almost the end of the month. So usually that's when there's that turnover. So we'll see.
I hope so.
And then number 3 was the Junction place.
Yeah, and they had no availability. I don't even think our places with our stuff would really even fit in there. There's a lot of more. It was more like handmade stuff.
They've been there for a long time, so like 25 years they've been there. So
They have a lot of loyal customer base, but those loyal customer bases really aren't the demographic that we're really targeting with our products and stuff. So.
And then number 4, the last place we went to,
They would not let us film.
they wouldn't let us film, so there's that. But there's a brand new place. One thing I liked about it was just right down the road.
It would be really ideal
Wasn't
because
very
it's
far.
actually between our storage unit and our home, right on that main strip road. So that's pretty exciting.
Yeah.
So I have high hope for this
Yeah.
place. We're just waiting on her.
She's gonna call her husband, see if, because we went in there before they opened up, and I talked to him, and he wasn't real keen on the type of stuff that we were gonna have there. But I went and talked to the lady when I was there.
It
and
seems promising.
She seemed okay with it, but I told her to call him just to make sure, because I don't want to waste time or money doing it. So she's supposed to call me this afternoon.
And there's plenty of open booths.
Lots
so
of open booths.
If I'm kind of banking on this one, because if we can get in there, we can get in there now.
So we will see.
We're gonna finish up eating and I guess get back to work.
Yep.
All right, so we are on our way home. I got to relieve the nanny. So here's where we're at. We think that option number 1 is gonna be the 4th place that we couldn't film, simply because it is so close to our house. The booths are already open. All we gotta do is get permission from the owner to make sure that he'll allow our products to be in the booth. That is option number 1.
Yep.
Option number 2 is that we wait. Hopefully somebody will move out at the end of the month and we can go into option to the second place that we visited, A Touch of Heaven. And I hear that it is a favorite among flea market booth owners, so I'm thinking that's a really great second option. And then option number 3 is we just hold out. We hold out and wait, which is not the option that we want. But I think it's gonna work itself out. So we're waiting on that lady to call us, hopefully with good news. So, yeah. How do you feel about cliffhangers?